In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the WhatsApp button can only be added from the business page itself, not from a personal profile. After you are on your Facebook business page, look near the top of the page and click on the About tab. This section contains the main details for your business page, including your contact information and other public business details. Next, find the left sidebar and click on Contact Info. This will open the area where you can manage the contact details connected to your page. Here you should see the option to add or connect WhatsApp. Click the WhatsApp icon to begin the setup process. Facebook will then ask you to enter your WhatsApp business phone number. Type in your number carefully and make sure you include the correct country code. The country code is necessary, so Facebook can send the verification code to the right WhatsApp account. Once the number is entered correctly, click Next to continue. Facebook will now send a verification code to your WhatsApp number. Open WhatsApp, check for the message, and locate the code that was sent to you. Go back to Facebook and enter that verification code in the required field. After that, click Verify to connect your WhatsApp account to your Facebook business page. If the code is correct, the connection will be completed and your WhatsApp account will be linked successfully. When the verification is done, take a moment to confirm that your WhatsApp contact information is now displayed on your Facebook business page. This helps make sure visitors can see the button or contact option and reach your business directly through WhatsApp. If everything appears correctly, then the setup is complete. Your Facebook business page will now have WhatsApp connected, making it easier for customers to message your business quickly and directly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.